Hello everyone, welcome to the Code Loop channel. My name is Prabhu. I have 7 years of experience in the software industry. I have started my career in the BI tools Qlikview, Qliksense and Tableau. I have extended my knowledge in the front-end and back-end development in the past couple of years. I have created many web pages for my BI applications and have used so many visualization libraries like D3 in my projects. I have decided to start a YouTube channel to increase the exposure and share my experience with others. So, I will be explaining about the BI tools Qlikview, Qliksense and how to integrate these with any third-party applications like Python, Node.js, etc. But I am not going to limit myself to these technologies. I would like to explore more. When I do that, I will be sharing my experience through this channel. As I don't have any experience in creating video tutorials, I apologize for any video or audio quality issues. I will improve those quality over the period of time. Also, provide your feedback on the tutorials in the comment sections so that it will help me to improve my skills. Thanks for your patience. We'll see you in the next video with some interesting topic to discuss.